me introduce myself. My name is Nazla Rosdiana. I am fourth semester in English Education Department from Universitas Muhammadiyah Bogoraya. Today I want to explain the article. The time of the article is the important role of extensive reading strategies in Indonesian EFL learning context. I hope you enjoy this video. The important roles of extensive reading strategies in Indonesian EFL learning contents. Academic literacy is one of paramount global competence that should be mastered by worldwide universities academicians, including Indonesian EFL learning. To fully fulfill this holistic educational objective, extensive reading play a key role in fostering the overresting Indonesian EFL learners' target language proficiency due to the enhancement of pleasurable, continual, and stress-free L2 reading learning dynamic preferred by the student-centered learning approaches. Furthermore, the researchers attempted to delve more profoundly regarding the important role of extensive reading strategies in Indonesian EFL learning context. This present qualitative study harnessed a document analysis approach to yield renewable insight to Indonesian EFL experts. Practitioners, researchers, and educators concerning the influential impact potentially promoted by extensive reading strategies implementation. The research result indicated that the enhancement of contextual and continual extensive reading activities had successfully improved EFL learners' to reading interests and competencies. Future researchers and advocated to conduct a more exhaustive document analysis on the contrary belief and various effect general by extensive reading approach to better impact more appropriate extensive reading program applicable for Indonesian EFL learners' reading needs, interests, and level. In this recent decade, our nation has spent such profound attention on preparing future academicians to full mastering endurable social and communicative competence while interacting with foreign language. Contrary to breed more competent EFL academicians, the Indonesian government need to integrate other indispensable English language learning element in the daily basis of EFL teaching learning practice. Husna 2019 mentioned that the Indonesian government shall work hand in hand with EFL educational experts, practitioners, and educators to bring about more meaningful EFL teaching learning climate, beneficial to foster the overarching learner's target language competencies. Furthermore, one of the paramount second language learning competence need to be incorporated by Indonesian EFL teacher while introducing the target language for learning in reading. To effective EFL reading learning activities, EFL learners will not merely have precious change to broaden their knowledge of the targeted subject, but specifically field, but also improve their overall target language proficiency. This positive matter occur due to the nature of the reading, commissioning the reader to mutually establish, such as mutual interactive interaction with their text to gain a considerable number of pivotal information. All of these above explained conceptions are inextricably associated with the second language reading theory propounded by Spada 2005, asserting that To be more successful and proficiency EFL academician, learners are demanded to continuously engage in meaningful L2 reading learning dynamic in which they need to renew their existing knowledge along with target language skills of the potent establishment of an interactive reading schema. Anderson and Noonan, 2008, also argue that L2 reading processes are one of crucial learning trajectories for learners to engaging science. They will be able to revive, rebuild, and revitalize that existing perspective in according with a chance of new information obtained for the text. Undeniable, one of the efficiency and meaningful L2 reading strategies language teacher should ponder exhaustively to be inculcated in their daily class basis in extensive reading. The utilization of extensive reading strategies will potentially promote more striking influential impact on EFL learners' target language proficiency, learning mode, and behavior and engagement. So these strategies, EFL learners will experience a higher degree of L2 reading learning enjoyment due to the maximum exposure of captivating reading material. Frequent reading text, attracting their reading interest most, and the feasible reading speed as well as accuracy suitable match with existing learners' reading proficiency that Day and Bamford 2002 exclaimed that the major objectivity of extensive reading is to enable learners to possess mutual access to a plethora of interesting texts, leading them to more pleasurable reading learners dynamic. In a similar vein, Salameh 2070 also believed that the appropriate implementation of extensive reading strategies invoke a substantial number of impactful L2 learning effects for learners in terms of establishing more positive reading attitude, enriching vocabulary knowledge, increasing learners' reading speed as well as accuracy, elevating. Salameh 2070 also believed that the appropriate implementation of extensive reading strategies involve a substantial number of impactful L2 learning effects for learners in terms of establishing more positive reading attitude, enriching vocabulary knowledge, increasing learners' reading speed, as well as accuracy, elevating the knowledge of the target, particularly specific field, and ingraining more robust second language learning motivation. On the contrary, the challenges for Indonesian language teachers to apply extensive reading strategies in their multivarious classroom learning circumstances have increasingly become very stalking, energy draining, and painstaking second language learning for youth. One of various methods hampering language teacher most in a further attempt to incorporate these reading approaches in their classroom context in negative learners' reading attitude, behaviors, and judgment toward extensive reading activities. For the majority of Indonesian EFL learners, they have more tendency to do varied apparent activity outside of the classroom walls instead of continuing in an activity leading them to inhibit a anxiety-provoking L2 learning attitude, such as reading. Thus, It is easier to discover Indonesian EFL learners who are not passionately interested in reading learning activities. Even extensive reading might impact another exciting L2 learning dimension that do not experience early in their traditional EFL classes. All of this above mentioned extensive reading learning issues are closely intertwined with the main challenge of fully applying extensive reading strategies proposed by Martina S. Sharifuddin and Utama, 2020, argue that Asian, especially Indonesian, EFL learners are more liable to engage in various fascinating activities, eroding their stress level in trade of proceeding through time-consuming and tedious activities like reading. Another uprising L2 reading learning issues hindering language teachers to internalize extensive reading strategies in their second language classroom vicinities is the minimum or absences of rewarding information concerning nature benefit, accurate implementation, and basic conception underlying expensive reading strategies, authentic practice. In other words, language teachers have not yet been able to address all of the faithful L2 reading fellows' potential rapid by learning through extensive reading activities, even while inhibiting them to form continual, proactive, and positive L2 reading habits in their academic life. This line of emergencies issues are in line with the extensive reading learning issues speeding on in this archipelago, adducing by Martina, Sharifuddin, and Utama, 2020, indicating that nearly all Indonesian EFL learners confess that extensive reading strategies was a novel learning approaches for them, leading them to process and particular misunderstanding of it is further. Implementation advantage and strategies to implement it in their daily life basic to overcome this devastating reading learning hindrances. Language teachers are advised to explicit all of the basic tenets, advantages, values, and specific strategies to harness extensive reading strategies into the fullest meaningful level for the learners to transform them into more lifelong, autonomous strategies and proficient L2 reading infusing relatable target language competencies developed. They and Benford 2002 underscored the key importance to EFL teachers to introduce more obvious conception of extensive reading strategies at the commencement of L2 reading learner activity to dramatically increase the reading learning motivation, leading them to the fullness acquisition of other target language skills such as listening, speaking, and writing. It shall always be kept in mind that the major principle of extensive reading strategies is to promote more pleasurable, meaningful, and free pressurized L2 reading learning event, wherein learners are deliberated allowed to select a vast range of texts attracting their reading interest most and suitably matching with their reading level. This definition is in an agreement with extensive reading theory expounded by Keegan and Stein, 2050, arguing that the main aim of extensive reading activity is to bring about more enjoyable reading learning occurrences for learning to proactively and meaningfully engage with a plethora of chosen L2 texts without being heavily suppressed by the particular chance incorporate the journey to experience all of these positive L2 reading learning merit. It's not without impediment, since EFL learners have to capable of identifying specific text, arousing their reading motivation most, regulating their amount of time as well as particular learning environment to read more efficiently outside of the classroom surrounding, and practicing their reading speed along with accuracy more rigorously to foster their target language proficiency into the most level. Ajis and Puspita 2009 they argue that the further implementation of extensive reading strategies out of the L2 classroom settings have made a considerable number of obstruction due to energy draining, painstaking, time-consuming, and anxiety-provoking free will reading activity, wherein EFL learning have to rise more profound self-awareness in selecting the text mostly appropriate with their reading interest along with proficiency, and crucial they should also be able to exert better control their time. Second, learners must be given the full authority to select a particular reading text attracting their reading interest most. Thirdly, learners need to reading their chosen text in a silent way to preserve their robust enjoyment degree in reading. Fourthly, learners are commissioned to choose specific reading texts suitable to their existing reading comprehension's development to elude them from unintended reading learning frustrating experience. In the strength, learners are suggested to avoid making use of a dictionary to improve their reading speed as well as learning environment to engage more meaningful in this kind of autonomous reading activities to better degrade all of those aforementioned extensive reading learning issues. They and before 2002 proposed to top 10 major principles of internalizing more meaningful extensive reading activities. The first principle that should be obeyed by both language teacher and learning in the continual exposure of a great number of easy reading material to maintaining reading interest while meeting with the targeted text. Going further to the sixth principle, reading speed is one of the pivotal elements that should be embodied all by learners, resulted in more enjoyable reading learning experiences. In the seventh principle, the reading material selection should comprise of fewer of and absences of unfamiliar word to enable learners to be more fluent and efficient L2 readers. Furthermore, extensive reading activities also function as one of the meaningful springboards for learning to significantly enhance their reading learning enjoyment along with proficiency simultaneously. The last two essential principles disseminate similar rewarding benefits, since language teachers are strongly advised to be more supportive reading learning facilitator and encourage for learners to constantly process to their targeted text, eventually leading them to the more strategic, committed, tenacious, and competent L2 readers. Concerning the crucial roles of language teacher in promoting more successful and meaning-making extensive reading activity for EFL learners, there are also three major essential roles language teacher have to accommodate with while incorporate extensive reading activities in the essential first language teachers have to accommodate with incorporating extensive reading activities and their manifold to classroom environment, namely become more supportive reading facilitator, transforming into the trustworthy ideas spreading regarding the appropriateness of L2 text utilization and transfiguring into more effective problem solvers for their learners, encountering who obstacles amid L2 reading learning dynamic. All of these rejuvenated roles are in harmony with the top three principles of conducting more rewarding extensive reading activities, founded by Ajis and Puspita. This qualitative study was conducted in the support of document analysis. This research method was chosen to unearth the significance of prior findings generated by prior relevant study. To comply with this research objective, the research conscientiously selects 30 chosen articles suitable with the major theme of the study. The important role of extensive reading strategies in Indonesian EFL learning context. More specifically, the major consideration offered in the researchers' belief well stipulation to 30 articles, namely the pros and cons underlying the implementation of extensive reading strategies in Indonesian EFL learning context, as well as the influential impact promoted by these L2 reading learning strategies for the betterment of EFL learners' overarching target language proficiency developed. After successful fulfilling the two above mentioned criteria, the researchers explicit each major finding unveiled by the previous 30 article argumentatively to cogently convince an Indonesian FL expert practitioner and educator to incorporate extensive reading strategies and as one of the efficient second language learning approach reward for the striking advancement of EFL. Learners' language learning competence. To fully embody all of these stipulated objectives, the researchers plan to categorize each main finding into a specific clusterization of researchers, then focus on explicating the crucial importance of continuity dissemination extensive reading strategies in Indonesian EFL learning context. The three major research them could be discarded in this following provident line, namely extensive reading strategies enable EFL learning to be more proficient L2 readers. 2 and indispensable, and then the 2 and indispensable need to design more contextual and real-life based extensive reading materials, and then the 3 an emerging requirement to conduct more rigorous extensive reading activities to better promote lifelong reading character for EFL learners to impact more in the deep delineations out of the discovered. Researchers stem the specific relevant research result will be integrated into table and more in the depth explication of this finding more the disciplines argumentally. The last is result and discussion. As mentioned in the prior subjection, this present qualitative study attempted to show new enlightenment regarding the crucial importance of incorporating extensive reading strategies in multivariate Indonesian EFL learning context. To fulfilling this research objectively, this section had more exhausting attention on expounding all of the major rewarding insight obtained from the 30 prior studies of extensive reading implementation run in this archipelago. Each categories and explication will be supported by the capable and potential argumentation. Expensive reading strategies allow EFL learners to be more. Extensive reading strategies allow EFL learners to be more affine by proficient L2 readers. This positive L2 learners outcome taking place due to the long listing pleasurable, stress-free and self-centered reading learning activities undergone by EFL learners. This major nation of extensive reading strategies were well sanctioned by a prior study of the nature of extensive reading strategies applied by UMAM 2013, discovering that the further implementation of extensive reading strategies should be continual, extended outside of L2 classroom context to enable learners to experience more enjoyable second language reading learning experience, erects more robust self-confidence. Extensive reading strategies allow EFL learners to be more affine by proficient L2 readers. This positive L2 learners outcome taking place due to the long listing pleasurable, stress-free and self-centered reading learning activities undergone by EFL learners. This major nation of extensive reading strategies were well sanctioned by a prior study of the nature of extensive reading strategies applied by UMAM 2013, discovering that the further implementation of extensive reading strategies should be continual, extended outside of L2 classroom context to enable learners to experience more enjoyable second language reading learning experience, erects more robust self-confidence. Material suits their learners' reading. Learners need interest, preference, and competence to better prompt them to be more independent L2 readers, enforcing more potence, willingness to read a wide array to distinctive L2 texts, finally transforming them into more competent L2 readers, inculcating more advanced vocabulary development. This positive philosophy is in concord with the major finding of an extensive reading program study conducted by Yanto, Saifullah, and Kwari 2020, unfolding that the majority of universities EFL learners has successfully improved. University EFL learners has successfully improved their target language competence, include their vocabulary knowledge after being constantly supervised by their teacher in selecting the most appropriate to reading text, so yet them lost the beneficially influence promoted by extensive reading strategies do not hold in the higher education institution, only since the great impact of it also goes in a similar trajectory as well for EFL young learners, as EFL young learners still need to be supervised more intensively in developing more positive reading habits to their daily basis. Extensive reading strategies play such a pivotal role in the area since captivating are meaningful extensive reading activities, while potentially able EFL young learners to further their four major skill of the target language: reading, writing, speaking, and listening simultaneously, improve their particular reading interest and inculcate consistent reading habits in their daily life. All of these rewarding benefits are in partnership with the major finding of an online extensive reading study run by Ermawati 2019, unveiling that nearly all of the Indonesian EFL young learners had formed more positive reading behavior are fully taking part in the interactive online. Taking part in the internet interaction online extensive reading activities incorporated by their teacher. Based on all of the brief of review, it has become one of the mandates for Indonesian EFL teacher to internalize extensive reading strategy in their multivarious L2 learning care contexts to transfigure learners into more competent L2 readers. Possession a multitude or usable reading attribute in their disposal, encouraging of richer vocabulary knowledge, passionate reading interest, and proactive reading attitude. Corner a group of relevant studies integrate can be summarized that all 40 prior extensive reading studies mutually indicate that it is such a crucial matter for Indonesian EFL teachers to enact more contextual and real-life-based extensive reading material to cultivate learners L2 reading interest is in a long-term trajectory, improve their reading learning achievement, get them closer to reap more fruitful reading learner outcomes, and foster their overarching reading competencies into the utmost level. The major big takeaway from this present study were the continued, contextual, and rigorous extensive reading pursuit for possibility donate striking influential impact for EFL learners, L2 reading learning motivation, target language competencies, improvement, and launchable L2 reading learning behaviors. Indispensably required to breed more proficiency, competitive, and skillful L2 academician in the future life event. Hence, although the extensive reading strategies is identical with self-independent reading and emphasizing on student-centered approach. Language teachers are advised to apply their rejuvenated role as supportive reading learning facilitators, encourager, and decision makers, particularly while their learners are framed with a plethora of L2 reading learning improvement that might hamper the enjoyable extensive reading dynamic. For the betterment of their current qualitative study, future researchers are commended to observe overview of vast array of extensive reading articles in the identical arena by heeding more exhaustive attention on the contradiction belief along with the disadvantage of extensive reading strategy. To righteous impact. To righteously impact another side of the coin regarding the hazardous effect of these strategies and the proposal of probable solution for Indonesian EFL experts, researchers, practitioners, and educators to overcome the specific shortcomings. And guys, finally we are come to the last video. I hope you have a benefit from this video, and thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.